Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, we are trying on a new wig that I got from Gorgius Wig.
You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need.
So here's the pretty box that your wig comes in. You guys know I love to show you guys everything that you get with your wig. So on the inside, you do have your wig, some wig caps, also a cute pouch with your name on it. In the pouch, you get some clips, some bobby pins, also a edge control brush, and a lace band. So this is what your wig is looking like. Now this is their curly Bohemian style lace closure wig. It is a 4x4 lace closure. I got mine in a 20-inch, and also the density is 180 density. Your wig already comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached for you. So as you guys can see, the knots are already bleached, so you do not have to go in and do any extra work. All you have to do is cut your lace, throw on your wig, and go. This is what the hairline of your wig is looking like. As you guys can see, the knots are bleached, so it blends right in with my skin tone, which will give me like that perfect melt, making it look really natural and nice. This is what your curl pattern on the wig is given. I absolutely love it. It's like a really nice deep wave kind of look. Again, this is their Bohemian style. So the curls are a little bit more tighter, but also it's really soft and nice. I really like this curl texture. It's not too tight, but it's also not too loose. It's giving you like the perfect curls, but it does remind me somewhat of a deep wave texture once it's dry. Nonetheless, the curls on the hair is really pretty, you guys. Because this is a lace closure wig, you do have a free part also, which means you can flip this hair on whichever side you want to position your part in space. I do love my flip over methods when it comes to my curly wigs. That's like my go-to style whenever I'm wearing a curly wig. So right now I'm just flipping over the hair on which side I want it to be positioned onto my face. And then we're gonna go in and do some baby hairs. Honestly, today I did do a little bit more baby hair than I usually tend to. So here I am pulling out some hair to prep my baby hairs. Then I'm going in with some mousse and just kind of like slicking the top of the wig back just to like form that nice flip over method, because I am going to flip over my hair to the left side of my face. Then I'm going in with my hot comb and just pressing out the hair. Also, please do not put a hot comb on wet hair, you guys. It will literally burn your scalp. Take it from me, I had to learn the hard way. Do not put mousse and then hot comb your hair right away. If you do not want to get burned, trust me, don't do it. After cutting my lace, I'm just taking my tweezers and plucking out just a slight bit of hair from the front area. I felt like it wasn't plucked enough for my liking. I did want my wig to look a little bit more natural and kind of like be a little bit more thinned out in the front. So I'm just going in and plucking a little bit of hair, and then I'm going to lay my baby hairs down. After plucking the hair, I'm going in with my Evan Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray, and I'm just spraying this all over the front of my lace, making sure that my wig is secured onto my head. Also, you definitely can wear this wig glueless, but I was attending a party that night, so I needed a little bit more extra security, just in case, you know, when you're hugging people, they tend to like pull on your hair, and I don't want my wig snapping off my head. It saved me the embarrassment, so I did use some spray to hold down my wig for that outing. Then I took my melt band and just wrapped it up for about 4 to 5 minutes. After removing it, this is what my lace is now looking like. As you guys can see, I already have my baby hair section off. Now I'm just taking my razor and cutting those baby hairs shorter. Then I'm going to go in with my curling iron, my mini curling iron, and we're just going to curl the hair, bump the ends. That way it's a lot easier for me to just lay down. To lay down my baby hairs, I'm mixing some foam and lotion and got to be together. This gives me like that perfect edge look, which is not too gooey, or my edges does not get white whenever I do this method. Now I'm going back in with my razor and just cutting the baby hairs a little shorter. Then we're going to get to laying these baby hairs down. Here I'm trying to swoop these baby hairs. Also, I did fix I think it's to you guys it's the left side, but to me it's the right. So I did go back in and fix the right side after I was done wetting the hair, because I don't know, that side, it was a little bit too thick for my liking. So I had to fix it afterwards. I know it looks kind of crazy right now, but I did fix it towards the ending of this video, so do not judge me. After laying the baby hairs down, I was just basically finger combing the curls, and look how beautiful this curl pattern is, you guys. Also, because of the curl pattern that's on this wig, if you do finger comb it, the hair does get a little thicker in density. So if you do like, you know, your hair to look a lot fuller, I do suggest just finger combing the hair. And yeah, look how nice it looks. I did want mine to look a little bit more tame, so I did go back in with some water. And as I applied water, I did apply some mousse as well. I did use the Lotta Body curling mousse. And after defining my curls, this is what the curl pattern was looking like. Look how pretty that is, you guys. And like I said, I did have to go back in and fix those baby hairs. So here is me just trying to get them together, basically. So just watch and learn. Definitely did not do it how I did it the first round. And yeah, this is pretty much what the hair was looking like once I was done. Look how beautiful that curl pattern is. I love me a flip over method. Now you definitely can flip this hair on either side of your face that you like to. The hair was given, y'all. Like, I got so many compliments. I went bowling that night and I got a lot of compliments on the hair. It looked really natural and nice. Like, in person, the hair actually looks very natural, very realistic. The lace was really easy to lay down as well. Like I mentioned, you definitely can wear this wig completely glueless. You do not have to use any adhesive spray. All I do suggest is that you tighten the elastic band that comes on the back of your wig. And y'all, the hair is just beautiful. This is definitely a perfect vacation wig, summer wig, especially if you live in a humid area. I definitely would recommend this wig for like an everyday wear. Also, what I love about it is the fact that it does not get puffier than this. So like I said, I did wear my wig out that night and it did not get puffy or big or too frizzy. Also, very little to no shedding. There's no tangling whatsoever, y'all. The wig is definitely doing its thing. So check out Gorgious Wig for your everyday curly wig. This is definitely perfect for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feeling this hair. Also, I know I'm killing you guys with these hair reviews, but hey, on the bright side, if I don't do them, somebody else will. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the wig. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.